Hi, it's Zarek Daniel from USA Math Ministry and Organization. It's going to be a short video regarding how to install Arduino IDE as it's here in a beautiful touch monitor that I can even clear it, and then let's save this code actually. So we are going to, is this going to save it? Oh yes, definitely. Save it, and we are going to save it into the desktop, and the name oh yeah, it is January 17 sketch. No, I would say voltage project, yeah, it's voltage, and it's going to save on desktop, so we're going to save it there. So this project, it's already saved, and I was searching on tutorials, and as you see, my favorite is Derek Banas. Anyway, how to install it? So the way you install it, you go to terminal, and then sometimes you just need to use this, when I just up and down, I go up and down, as you see here. When I do up and down, there are the things that I wrote it there, So first, you need to update. Second, you need to upgrade. And third, you need to do this code on a terminal. As you see, the Linux, for everything on Linux, you need to use a terminal. So you go to terminal, and then as you see, I showed you clearly how do you first you do the update, second you do the upgrade, and third you do the installation. And actually you need to install the whole update. These are the documentation. It has this beautiful, no thank you, don't save, and this is completely installed, and this was the project. Then I can run it by the, when I just push it, definitely it's going to run the because it's Arduino, so it's going to run the Arduino project that we did it. So we go close the Arduino, and we go close the Linux platform. So the way that you install the Arduino, I showed you how to install this package of application that it's hardware. And this code that I wrote it, I just, this code is amazing actually. I have a multimeter that you can examine and assess the current circuit. As you see, when I go here and we do one thing. First, we upload the code into the software. That's the first stage. As you see, let me maximize it. So we go here, we maximize it. Okay, here as you see, we upload to the software, and then right now we're going to upload it to the hardware. When we push it to the hardware, as you see it right now, the code went to the chip. Because one thing that I want people to learn is how brain works, how artificial intelligence works. As you see here, we have a lamp, and here we have input for the, here we write a code. The code here, as you see, the text appears here because usually we write the text between quotation. So when we run the code there, in this beautiful here, as you see, when I put here it's 0. When I put this here, I will put 1, and then the lamp is going to turn on. Definitely it's going to turn on. There is not. I need to put enter actually. When you put enter, you send the signal and lamp is on. And amazingly, when I put 5, it's going to be more brighter. As you see, it got brighter. And here we just put the 5, and it gets less, and we're going to turn it off by the variation. We put enter, and then boom, it's going to turn off. And this is the amazing Raspberry Arduino project, and you can amazingly get this box of Raspberry, the monitor, and then make it just hooked, because everything is hooked up inside actually. If there will be a light here. And for camera, for a camera, you need to write another code. So the way that you install all this, so I'm going to close this. Yeah, everything turned off, and then we close this one. But usually this on because the circuit is on. So this is the way that you install the Raspberry. So you have everything you monitor. You just shut it down and you reboot. And actually, when you hook up everything correct, I mean the camera and then everything is here works 100% correct. You just get the monitor, and then here you need to hook up the Raspberry behind the monitor board. And then I just designed this to be look like that. And then when it comes in, I can put the shift actually to choose the, actually, is it gonna, yes, definitely is gonna be the OS. I mean, automatically goes to Linux. But if you push the shift, you can choose which. Right now, this is total, kind of installed. And as you see, there is internet, and then you use the internet. Everything is installed. That was the electronic IDE, the way that I show you. You can just, that terminal installation is the best, and it has everything and runs perfectly. And then with Python, amazing thing with Python that I was really amazed. You just go here for Python and just check how many digits I can put here for, let's say, bum, 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 bum. Just check this big number, multiply, let's say, multiply to another. Just the power of this thing is amazing. It's just calculating second without anything. So this was the way that you install the Arduino into Raspberry, and you install the Raspberry. And if anybody has questions, I'll definitely answer if you put it on the comment. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video.